Alright, they say the third time's a charm, and we'll see if it is. This is now the third time I have recorded this intro to this 9th vlog of mine, and the first 2 times the files got corrupted and wouldn't read. This is now a different card, and so hopefully everything comes through and the sound. It's very windy today, but just wanted to let you know that we're here at Westlake City Park today, but my vlog, which I've already shot, it's all about Estero Llano Grande Park, where we were there our first time on this trip, and so you'll get to see some wildlife and some pretty scenery and stuff. So prepare for that, but that's what this little intro is all about. So enjoy the video and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. All right, so we made it to our destination today. Let's turn around and show you. Right there, Estero Llano Grande State Park. So that's where we're starting, and here, right across the way, there is a little map, looks like, right there. So you can see a little bit about it. There's a Common Paraque right there. I hope to see one of those things today. They're very hard to see in the wild. So let's go check it out. Okay, so as you know, we're at the Estero Llano Grande State Park, and this is probably hard to see, but look right down here on the ground. That little guy is called a Common Paraque, P-A-R-A-Q-U-E. That's how they pronounce it. And he's sitting right there. They blend in so well. The guy had to point him out to us. It took me a minute to find him, but there he sits, and he's just as cute as he can be. Alright, so here in this tree down here by the water, I don't know if you can see or not, these yellow-headed guys, kind of some kind of herons. I don't know if these are night herons or what kind. I'm not sure with that yellow head, but it's harder to see. But there's one sitting in there. He's just hiding real well. And these two guys, this first one's the easiest one to see, hopefully. He's coming through, I hope. There's so many weeds and things. Yeah, 3 of them hanging out right here. Pretty cool. Okay, just got what I think is some excellent pictures of these guys down here. Same ones we shot. There's 2 of them here. You can see there's this guy right through that tree. And there's this guy down here, just hanging out. I put my 7200 on, and I think I got a decent shot or 2. So we'll see, but just wanted to show those guys to you. We'll move on to the next thing. We're walking along. I run across this totem pole. Don't recall ever seeing that before. Pretty wild. And then I'm told to get these little flowers here. There you go. There's a close-up. Let's get inside of it. Oh yeah, there we go. See, there's more there. The sun flicking on them just a little bit. And here, we'll get these. It's being lit with the sun. There you go. A lot of them. Very, very, very nice. Very colorful. So here we are in early January, as I said at the beginning of this video. And this is the kind of stuff we've got to see. You see the green on the ground and the sun, of course. Very nice. And it feels very good. According to the car, it's 73 degrees. That might be just a hair high, but it's definitely at least upper 60s now. So feels good either way. Okay, so again, walking along a little bit. Run across this tree with what looks like little tangerines or something. Maybe cuties, I don't know. Clementines maybe. Just to give you a comparison, look, this is a quarter, and there's it. Again, quarter, right there, and there's that one. These are even smaller. crazy is that? Here, one last one. So you can see they're very, very small. There is a bunch of them. Look at this. A bunch of them, all in this tree. That one looks good right there. Ain't that cool? And yet, here, just to give you a comparison, you see it's a couple quarters big, is about it. Okay, we come along, not much further at all, and run across this big crazy looking cactus. Now this thing has got to be, oh, I don't know, from my size, I'd say at the very top, it's at least 15 feet tall. Show you. It's me standing here, and we'll see if that captures everything. I don't even know if it is or not, but we'll see. But like I said, it's at least 15 foot tall, if not taller. And then, over here, across the way, run across the same type of tree. I think this might be a bougainvillea. I'm not 100% sure, but look at these things. How beautiful are those? Look, that one's got yellow in it. All of these do, look. These little ones here don't, but... Oh, here we go. Here's a yellow one right up close. Check that out. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty neat indeed. Bunch of them up there at the top. Several down here. Very pretty. Makes me feel springy again. I like feeling springy. Here, just get out here and show you the size of this thing. Pretty good size. That's where we came from, way down there. Okay, I don't even know how to capture this tree. I'm going to first go in, I guess. Look at this structure. I mean, I honestly, I can't even truly describe this thing. This is what the leaves look like up close and personal. They feel like they're plastic. Now as we come back, let me show you the size of this behemoth. Yeah, it's still going. Yeah, that's still the same tree. I know. Seems unbelievable. If you were here, you'd see how unbelievable. But there you go. There, we got the whole thing finally in this wide GoPro. That is a huge tree. We don't know what kind it is, and it just, as you saw, it's the weirdest shape, the weirdest size, the weirdest everything, but so cool. And look at that sky. Wow, gorgeous. Okay, so as we're going along here, look what we're running into, another totem pole here. You can see. Pretty crazy. You can see it's right beside the Bicard Trail. Alright, so we're walking along and you can see we come across these little orange flowers on this bush. There's a few right there, lit up with the sun. Not as many as on the other trees, but still different enough and cool enough. Alright, so once again we're walking along and here we come up to a third totem pole. Just out here. And then beside it, right here to its left, you can see is this sort of a cactus tree or something, for lack of a better term. I mean, look at the shape of this. Isn't that wild? All kinds of kind of bizarre shapes here on this thing, and it goes up to there. So again, I'd say this is, I'd say at least 12 foot tall up there at its height. And look here, got these little pink flowers on it. Hopefully see them better in the sun. Whole bunch up there at the top. Pretty wild. Pretty wild indeed. And right beside it is one of these ones with the orange flowers. Pretty cool.